Hi guys, it's Michelle, the Insulin Empress, and I wanted to come on here and share a quick tip with you guys, especially if you guys are brand new to using Cgms to keep track of your sugars, and especially for those dealing with reactive hypoglycemia. Often you will see your Cgm go crazy high after you eat, and one of the things you gotta know is that CGMs will often over-exaggerate the high. It may tell you you're going up to 170, 180, 200, whatever. And when you actually check your finger stick, check your blood with a finger stick monitor, you'll see that it's not quite as high. And so it can cause people to freak out, not knowing that a CGM will over-exaggerate both the going up and the going down. With reactive hypoglycemia, a lot of people will drop by the second or third hour, and they will drop below in hypoglycemic levels. And sometimes the CGM will tell you you're hitting the 50s, so you're freaking out thinking, oh, I got to eat something. With reactive hypoglycemia, you don't want to treat with food, but that's another story for another day. So what you want to do when you're reading a low or a high that seems crazy, you want to check with the finger stick monitor. You want to check your blood sugar, because often CGMs will over exaggerate going up and going down, and it'll cause you to freak out unnecessarily. So what you want to do is, in the beginning, while you're getting used to it, bring your finger stick monitor, and then after a while you'll learn to kind of gauge by the food that you eat. When you eat it over and over, you're going to be able to gauge that this is how it affects your body. And if it's reading crazy high or crazy low, you'll know that it's not real. You don't have to freak out. So, but also remember that after you eat, if you go for a brisk walk 15-20 minutes, that helps to keep the sugar from spiking as high, which keeps the insulin from overcompensating, from going as high as well. And this is especially true for those dealing with insulin resistance and with reactive hypoglycemia. If you can keep your sugar levels from going too high, and one of the ways to compensate for that, or to alter that, is to do some kind of physical activity. Whether you're going for a walk, whether you're dancing around the house, whether you're going to go hit the gym. Some kind of physical activity will help pull that glucose into your muscles. The more you contract your muscles, the more you'll be able to pull that glucose in, and it'll keep it from going as high, which means that the insulin won't respond as high as well, which will stop you from having reactive hypoglycemia. So I just wanted to share this with you, because I know a lot of people freak out when they see the numbers going crazy high or crazy low, and then they want to treat, which actually keeps you in this constant vicious cycle of reactive hypoglycemia. So I hope this tip helps.